In this short tutorial, you will learn how to make text italic in WhatsApp. Italicizing text can help emphasize certain words or phrases in your messages. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. And then tap and select the chat to which you want to send italic text. Then tap here. To make text italic in WhatsApp, you simply need to add an underscore before and after the text you want to format. For example, if you want to write hello in italics, simply type it like this. Then send it. When you send the message, the text inside the underscores will appear italicized to the recipient. Italicized text appears slanted or tilted to the right, making it stand out from regular text. This formatting option can be useful when you want to express emotions, emphasize a point, or highlight important information in your conversations. Also, this simple formatting trick can be used in both individual chats and group chats on WhatsApp. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.